Well, yes, in fact, we are currently being joined with Ambika Shukla, ma'am. Supreme Court has, in fact, come out with a relief. How do you see this entire order, interim order?
We are deeply grateful to the Supreme Court for upholding the scientific and humane principles of the Animal Birth Control Program, the ABC program. I think public health experts, the animal welfare community, and all those who have been invested in this situation are deeply grateful for the Supreme Court's order today. And while we celebrate, we would like to call for the following: a contiguous annual vaccination and sterilization program across all districts, public-private partnerships to fund and execute hyper-local drives, a dedicated rabies helpline for first aid and wound washing guidance, filing of RTIs to ensure transparency in ABC budgets. This needs to continue to ensure that we never ever reach such a situation again, and such draconian orders to remove dogs or to cull dogs, they are not a problem. Neither dogs nor dog lovers are aggressive or will ever pose a threat to society. We belong in society, dogs belong in society, and we are deeply grateful to the Supreme Court for ratifying the same today. We would like to work together to ensure safe and humane and peaceful and happy societies for all.
Ma'am, but Supreme Court today has also said that you cannot, feed the dogs in open. So how you see that as well?
There should be designated feeding spots as per the ABC rules, and I think that will continue. Open does not mean anywhere. Open has always, by the ABC rules, it means that feeding should continue in designated feeding spots. And we must strive to ensure these, because having designated feeding spots ensures that dogs remain calm. Because if a dog is fed, a dog is not restless, a dog does not roam, a dog does not be bad-tempered. So having feeding spots is part of the solution, and is part of the ABC program that the court has upheld.
Ma'am, my last question to you is, it has also said that the aggressive, dogs, they should remain in shelter homes. So, we have seen that the MCD has been planning shelter homes now. So how do you see that also, and what is your advice to the municipal corporation also?
See, there is no such thing as an aggressive dog. It is always a cause of a situation. Does a mother defending her puppies be classified as an aggressive dog? No, that is a natural maternal instinct. Does a dog whose tail is pulled, can he be called an aggressive dog if he reacts? No. So everything is situational. What we believe, and we can demonstrate this and we can implement this, is that if you simply strengthen the cruelty, punishments and laws, you will find people are no longer cruel, dogs will settle down, people will settle down, and we will not have any such incidents again. This is proven, and simply we would also ask restraint from the media. When you highlight and sensationalize single incidents, you create so much fear in society, you cause people to pick up sticks, and hitherto peaceful, harmless dogs, you force them to react, and then you claim that they are aggressive. The aggression is not shown by dogs. The reaction is shown by dogs. So if we have peaceful, loving communities, tolerant communities, like we've always had in India, like it is preached in our dharam, like it's preached in our constitution, like it is preached in our law, and today again the Supreme Court has reiterated it. We are not violent, we are not intolerant as a people. Let us revert to our better nature. Let us become the land that Mahatma Gandhi was proud to call the land of ahimsa. And let us again show that the greatness of a nation is judged by the way it treats its animals. Let us believe that, let us follow that, and let us demonstrate that in our own behavior.
Ma'am, now the interim order has come out. The implementation lies, with the state governments and also the civic bodies. So there, ma'am, what do you have to tell them?
We would like to partner with the municipalities. At present, the failure in implementation is because municipal bodies neither have the knowledge, nor the expertise, nor the inclination or the interest to deal with animals. Animal people have both the inclination, the interest, the knowledge, the expertise, and the willingness to do this work. So use us as tools, use us as assets, use our domain expertise to involve us in the solution. And we will guarantee a rabies-free Delhi. Rabies is already Delhi-free. There's been no rabies cases in 3 years. But we will ensure 100% sterilization in 2 years. But let us work with the municipal bodies in an official capacity, not just as spectators. Okay, involve us. We will give you the solutions, we will participate in the solutions, and we will do this willingly and happily and effectively.
So as you heard here,
Ishika,
we had Ambika Shukla, who has welcomed this interim order and has... Yes.
Ishika, there are 2 questions that you must ask Ambika, but hold on, ask her to stay because I want to play out that soundbite of the lawyer right now, the counsel soundbite, and then we go back to Ambika.
जो अभी सुओ मोटो की जजमेंट है वो अभी के लिए अबेंस में रख दी है, बट नॉट ऑल सी दे व्हाट दे हैव वेरी बैलेंस्ड इन अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड मैनर दे हैव सेड जो अग्रेसिव डॉग्स हैं, जो बाकी जो रेगुलर डॉग्स हैं उनकी स्टरलाइजेशन होनी चाहिए, जो अग्रेसिव डॉग्स हैं उनको पॉन्ड्स में लेके जाना चाहिए. वहां पे हमें थोड़ी सी तकलीफ होने वाली है बिकॉज वो लोग कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. एमसीडी तो सारों को ही उठा के ले जाएगी, सारे बच्चों को उठा के लेके जाएगी. तो दैट वी हैव टू, आई थिंक एज डॉग लवर्स वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, यू नो. तो वो थोड़ा सा हल्की सी मुझे वाज नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट पोर्शन ऑफ द ऑर्डर. बट अदरवाइज जो रेबीड डॉग्स हैं, अग्रेसिव डॉग्स हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू देम दे विल टेक टू द पॉन्ड्स or animal shelters.
Other dogs will be released. Yes.
But the other dogs, yes. So there are so many dogs, you know, in everywhere. Like we have 10 lakhs of dogs.
Overall, do you feel it's a relief for the dog
I
lovers?
think it is for the dog lovers. It's a beautiful order, very balanced. और feeding areas के बारे में उन्होंने कहा कि MCD एक feeding spots बनाएगी. And people will not be allowed to, you know, give food on the streets.
Some penalty has been announced.
So, that is very important. Also, कि streets पे जब हम खाना डालते हैं as dog lovers, तो वो थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए भी गड़बड़ करता है क्योंकि बच्चे अटैक कर सकते हैं. यू नो, अगर कोई वहां से पास कर रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है, उनको थोड़ी सी इनसिक्योरिटी होती है कि मेरा ये खाना ना हटा दें यहाँ से, तो बच्चे थोड़ा सा अग्रेसिव हो सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए भी ठीक है, वी आर ओके विद दैट पोर्शन ऑफ द ऑर्डर.
Directly ordered the release of the dogs.